In this video, we will show you how to submit a year-round magnet school application for your student who is enrolled in a Wake County public school. First, go to the top of the page and type in magnet.wcpss.net/apply/. On this page, you will see Welcome to the Wake County Public School System Request for Year-Round Magnet School Application and 3 boxes. The box on your left you would complete if you have already applied for your transfer request. The box in the middle is if you have already created an account, and the box on the right should be filled out if you do not yet have an account. The next page will say Student Lookup. You will need to submit all the information in the fields and click Continue. Once you get to the next page, you will see Start a New Application for your child. Your child's name will be located in this box where the cursor is. As you scroll down the page, you will see a list of schools that you can submit a request for. The schools that appear are determined by your address. You will need to click one of these schools. Once doing so, click Continue to the following page. On this page, you will see Acknowledge Requirements and Policies. Continue to the Requirements and Policy link, click on it, read through the information, and then click on I agree. Click on Continue to Application. On the student information page, your child's information will be pre-filled. To the left, you will see a box that says Application Progress. This lists all the different sections of the application. If you look here to the right, you will see a Continue button, a Back button, a Save and Exit button. Once you go through the application progress, this button will be at the bottom of every page. If you would like to continue to the next page, click Continue. If you'd like to go back to a previous page, click Back. And if you'd like to save your progress and exit, click this button. You can always continue later, as long as you do so before the end of the application window. The next page is Family Information. Each section that has a red asterisk must be filled out. You will need to do this in order to submit the information in that field and to move forward with the application. Once you complete this page, click Continue. Once you click the Continue button, you will see additional year-round or magnet schools that you can apply for. The first school you selected is still there, and you can choose up to 6 additional schools. It is not necessary to select 7 schools. Please only select the schools that you want our office to consider. Please make sure to review the types of transportation provided for each school based on your address. Once you have selected all the schools you are interested in, click on the Continue button. On the next page, you will be able to add any siblings to the application. Please note that adding a sibling does not submit a year-round magnet application for that child. Once you are finished adding any siblings to the application, click Continue. The next slide is the signature page. Please read through all the information, and once you have done so, place your initials in the parent or guardian's initial box. Once you have done so, click Continue. You will then be taken to the confirmation page, where you can review all of the information you've submitted. And if everything looks good and nothing needs to be edited, click Continue. When you do this, an information box will pop up. Please read through all the information and then click OK. The final page of the application will thank you for your submission and let you know that we have received your application. You will also see information letting you know when to expect your results. You also will have the option to print this page for your records. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for being part of the Wake County Public School System.